I fly, nothing else matters. It takes complete concentration. You have to know where you're going, what it's going to take to get there, and expect the unexpected. The last thing you want to do is lose focus. You're taking people's lives in your hands. It's just part of being a pilot. Things pop up, just like in trials. You need to be able to adapt, and you need to make sure that you're prepared to handle whatever comes your way. At the end of the day, you don't get a do-over in trial. You don't get a do-over when you're flying.
I was driving down the road, and traffic came to a complete stop. So, of course, I had to come to a complete stop. The other gentleman was not paying attention, and he reared into me. The injury affected my life in a lot of ways. I had a little baby girl that I could no longer hold. I also had a son. My quality of life went down tremendously where I wasn't able to take care of them like I'm supposed to. It kept me from going back to work. So it affected my family tremendously. Mr. Frank did a tremendous job with the insurance company. After working with Mr. Frank and coming out with a successful settlement, my family and I are now closer. Giving him the time to represent me was the best thing I've ever done.
On December 17th, I received a phone call that my mom and my dad and my grandmother were in a car accident. I buried 3 of my very close loved ones in 7 weeks. Had they had a red light at that intersection, the accident probably would not have happened. Since then, they have put up a light, and they said it was a temporary light. When I hired Tomeny Law Firm, they told me we were going to take this to court and fight to keep the light there because that's what needed to be done. I don't want any other family to go through what I had to go through. He was with us all the way fighting to keep that light at that intersection. Frank kept his focus on this case at all times. I was always kept up to date of what was going on. They made me feel like I was a part of their team, a part of their family. I work in the court systems, and I am very, very satisfied with the results I got, and I don't think anybody else could have done what Frank did for me and my family.
Whether we're going to try the case, settle the case, whatever we're going to do, we're preparing for trial. Once the trial's over, it's over. When they leave that courthouse, whatever we get for them or whatever we do for them is what they have to live with for the rest of their lives. I can't imagine practicing any other type of law. It's personal. It's just like flying. Nothing may arise that causes you to have any problems, but you better be ready for it.